Hello, honey bunnies. Welcome back. It's me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, my crafty friends, I want to show you guys how these chocolates turned out. I really like how they turned out. I started making these a little while ago, and I started putting them together, and eventually one thing led to another, and this is what I came up with. I thought these were really pretty and so cute. I wanted to make these for my co-workers, so I want to show you guys how I made them, right? They're super easy to make, so easy. So I got these chocolates, and what I like about these chocolates is that you get 4 of these little tiny mini bars in one. So this is perfect, especially if you have like a lot of co-workers, or maybe you work where there's a lot of your friends that you want to gift a little goodie bag or a little something for Valentine's Day. These are really cute and adorable and super affordable. And again, you get 4 of these in one, which is perfect. So what we're going to do is we're going to dress up these chocolates. Now, I have to tell you the truth. This is how they normally come, which is nothing wrong with it. I think it's perfectly fine the way it looks. But you know me, right? I have to embellish everything, right? So I went crazy and I started to embellish all these little mini bars. So what we're going to use is very simple. If you have a Valentine's Day pad, most likely you'll probably have a paper that looks like this. These are little papers that have these little like stripes, little like strips of paper that gives kind of like a little sample of what's all in the pad most of the time, not all the time. So these are little strips of paper. What I did is I took these little strips of paper and I cut them out. All right. By the way, I'm using this paper pad from Michael's that I got years ago. And so what I did is I cut out my little stripes and I just cut them out individually. So just cut them out individually. That's literally all you're going to do. All right, just cut them out individually and then decide which ones you're going to use. I have here these that I have left over from other projects that we can use. All right, so we're going to use this one right here to decorate the bar. All right, so what I did here is very simple. I took my little mini bar and I basically just measured how long my little wrap is going to be. And it's basically going to go around your chocolate. All right, and once you decide on how long it's going to be, use this as a template to cut the rest of the other little stripes. All right, so basically I'm going to add this in the middle of my chocolate. So what you need to do is you need to add some double-sided tape on this end and double-sided tape on this end. All right, and I don't have, where's my double-sided tape? Hold on one second, guys. Let me go get my double-sided tape. All right, so you can use this tape or you can use this tape. All right, I'm going to use this one because I like this one. I think this one holds more than this one. And all I'm going to do is just cut a very small, and I'm going to add it on both ends. I'm going to add it on this end, and I'm going to add it on this end. All right, so place this in the middle of your chocolate, however you want to place it. Wrap this around, glue down the one end, and then wrap the other end around and glue that one down. That's going to create a little belly around your chocolate bar. See that? Voila. And now what we're going to do is very simple. I try to keep this very simple because I have a whole bunch of these to make. And again, I don't want to really go crazy and embellishing these these little mini bars too much because it gets a little bit overwhelming when you have like 20 of these to make, right? So just keep it simple for yourself and keep it very easy. So all I did here is I have some little hearts. So I'm going to add a little heart right in the center right here. All right. I'm going to add a button that I have here. So you can add a button, you can add pom-poms, you can add whatever you want. The button is going to go right in the center of the heart. And then I have some pom-poms over here. I'm going to use a nice bright pom-pom, which is this bright pink. And then this other kind of like softer pink. That's literally all I did, guys. Literally all I did. All right. So I'm going to glue down my heart. I'm going to glue down my button. And then I'm going to glue down my pom-poms. I'm going to add a pom-pom on this end and on this end. These are little mini pom-poms. Here's one end. Here's the other end. I'm going to hold these together so they can kind of glue down. And literally, that is all I did. That's literally all I did. See that? It's going to make it easier for them because all they have to do is just pull the chocolate out this way. So it's not going to interfere with the chocolate being pulled out of the wrapper. And that's literally all I did, guys. Seriously, that's all I did for these chocolates. I did not do anything else. I did not go crazy. Again, I have tons of these chocolates to make. Tons. I got to make about 20 of them for my end. And I got to make about 20 for my mom's end. Because she also has friends that she wants me to make these for. So again, keeping it simple, but keeping it really fun looking and just keep going, right? Don't make it too complicated because then you get overwhelmed. And that is how I made these little adorable chocolates. I love them, right? They turned out so cute. Simple, but very easy. I hope you like this tutorial. Very quick, very simple, but very like down to the point, right? All right. So I hope this gives you some ideas on what you can do for Valentine's Day if you want to have like an idea for your coworkers or, you know, your boss or family members, whatever it is. Hopefully this gives you some good ideas. I love you all and I will see you soon on the next tutorial. Bye, honey bunnies. Don't forget to like and subscribe.